Tune in as I show you how to make this awesome subscribe button in just a few seconds. Now, if you're like me, you're creating some YouTube videos and you probably see all of those other YouTubers with those cool subscribe buttons telling people to subscribe and ding that bell. Well, I'm not an animation expert, but I figured somewhere on the internet had to have the capabilities for me to go on and create a super sweet subscribe button that I can put in Camtasia or other editing software and use. And I found it, so let's check it out. All right, here we are on Capwing. I've never heard of this website, but when I Googled it and found it, I thought this was really cool. Apparently there's a bunch of different tools and collections, and I landed on this animated YouTube subscribe button. I think it's really nice. In fact, you can preview it right here. Just hit the subscribe button and go. And all you have to do is hit make it. Now, when you go in, it has everything you need. You can adjust the shape, the size, and here it's going to ask you to replace it with an image of your choice. So over here, I have some photos of myself on my website, montemagno.com. Let's save that photo. You probably want to use the same photo that's on your YouTube channel. And over here, we can see replace the placeholder. And under downloads, I'm going to select my face. That's it. Now I can adjust, I can crop, I can look at the animation, I can do a bunch of other stuff, but I'm just going to export the GIF. Now here, what will happen is that Capwing is going to go ahead and automatically generate everything that we need. Now this takes a few seconds, so let's go ahead and speed it up. And instantaneously, there you have it. There's my brand new subscribe button that I can download right away. I can of course save that, I can open it up, and I can see, bam, gives me everything that I need. And I can bring that into the editing software of my choice. And within just a few seconds, you have a brand new subscribe button for all of your YouTube videos that you put out. You can go back, edit your thumbnail if you ever change that. Now, one thing to note on this Capwing website is that I did have to register for a free account. I just used like a dummy email and that removed the watermark on there. But there you have it. You have your own beautiful subscribe button that you can put at the end of your videos like I'm going to do right now. Of course, you can check me out on Twitch at twitch.tv/JamesMontemagno every single Friday where I stream video stuff, code stuff, and a bunch more. And of course, you can subscribe right here and ding that bell, become part of the notification squad. Hope you found this insightful. Thanks for watching.